tonight at Big D's American Saloon for a Motorcycle Minute. Meet JT and his rat bike.
I know a lot of people, if they see it, they say, "No, it's not a rat bike," but it's a rat bike in progress. I'm going to be adding a lot more memorabilia to it and stuff like that. And blackening out things, anything chrome on it, I'm going to blacken out, flat black. The windshield I did build myself. When I bought my wife a house, I called the realtor and they never did come pick up the sign out of the yard. So I said, well, I got to do something with it. I styled it after a Stearman airplane because about everybody in my family flies too. You can buy stuff, but it's a lot more fun to make it. This one's just an everyday bike that I ride, but it's a special bike to me because I got about 60,000 miles on this one.